2025 has been one of the wildest years in WWE history. We've seen shocking betrayals, dream matches we thought we'd never get, and rivalries that blurred the line between storyline and reality. From CM Punk's fiery war with Seth Rollins to Rhea Ripley cementing herself as a generational talent, this year reminded us why we love professional wrestling. So grab a popcorn, hit that like button, and let's count down the top 10 WWE feuds of 2025. Starting off at number 10, Karrion Kross vs Sami Zayn. This one was all about psychology. Kross claimed that Sami wasn't the hero he pretended to be that deep down. He was just another manipulator chasing fame. Sami fired back with passion, saying he'd rather be a flawed man with heart than a soulless machine like Kross.
You're not a good guy. You're a bad guy.
Their mind games built up beautifully to SummerSlam 2025, where Sami finally overcame the mind control and pulled off a hard-fought win. It wasn't about titles or glory, it was about identity, and that's what made this feud special. At number 9, Becky Lynch vs Rhea Ripley, a feud that fans had been begging to see for years. The veteran versus the powerhouse, the man versus the nightmare. When they finally collided, it was brutal, emotional, and unforgettable. Rhea retained the Women's World Championship, but both women walked out looking like legends. That match wasn't just a passing of the torch, it was a full-blown statement that WWE's women's division is incredible right now. Coming in at number 8, Jey Uso vs Gunther for the World Heavyweight Championship. Nobody saw this one coming. At WrestleMania 41, Jey Uso shocked the world when he forced Gunther to tap out, ending one of the longest and most dominant reigns in WWE history. But Gunther doesn't stay down for long.
Believe he is out. Gunther becomes the new.
Just months later, on Raw in June, he got his revenge, defeating Jey in a brutal technical showdown to reclaim the gold. This feud became one of respect and pride. Jey proving he's more than main event Uso, and Gunther proving he's still the ring general.
I'm gonna take my World Heavyweight Champion back where it belongs.
Two elite athletes pushing each other to their limits. That's the kind of feud fans remember for years. At number 7, Cody Rhodes vs John Cena. This was a generational story, the new face of WWE against the man who defined the last 2 decades. When Cena came back and told Cody, "You're holding my title," the crowd went insane. Their promos were emotional and filled with respect, not hate.
I want to take this home with me so after I'm gone, you guys don't forget about it.
Their WrestleMania 41 clash was poetic, Cena testing Cody, pushing him to prove he truly belongs on top. And when it was over, Cena raised Cody's hand, passing the torch in front of the world. That's not just a feud, that's history being made. At 6, Tiffany Stratton vs Jade Cargill. Two breakout stars with main event potential written all over them. Tiffany's arrogance versus Jade's dominance created a clash of pure charisma and athleticism. Their showdown at SummerSlam 2025 wasn't just about a win, it was about making a statement. The chemistry, the athleticism, the crowd reaction, everything clicked.
When I beat you tomorrow, I don't want there to be any excuses.
Trust, there won't be.
WWE's future is in good hands with women like these two. Halfway through the list, Drew McIntyre vs Randy Orton. When these two lock eyes, you just know something special is about to happen. Their 2025 rivalry reignited after Drew accused Orton of hiding behind Legacy.
McIntyre and Randy Orton and RKO.
And Orton reminded him exactly who he was, the apex predator. It's rare when two veterans can still tell fresh stories, and these two did it perfectly. Number 4, the WrestleMania 41 triple threat. Roman Reigns vs Seth Rollins vs CM Punk. This was pure chaos. 3 icons, 3 egos, 1 goal, supremacy.
Can he hit the GTS that he does to Rollins? Spear now by Reigns. Stop myself.
Roman wanted to reclaim his throne. Seth wanted to prove he's the true face of this era. The static Grob and Punk.
You should have let me finish CM Punk when I had the chance.
Punk wanted to burn it all down and start fresh. The storytelling, the emotion, the unpredictability, this match had everything. Even though Rollins didn't leave as champion, his rivalry with Punk only intensified from here, and we'll get to that soon. At number 3, John Cena vs Logan Paul. Nobody saw this being this good. Logan Paul stepped up as one of the most entertaining and hated characters in WWE.
This is never your house. I learned the hard way. This is their world.
And Cena came back to put him to the test. Their feud was half real, half spectacle. Logan calling Cena washed up, Cena firing back saying Logan's fame can't replace respect. 2025 match was surprisingly competitive, and when Cena shook Logan's hand after, it symbolized something bigger, the blending of eras. It's rare when WWE makes something feel both modern and classic. This did. At number 2, Kevin Owens vs Sami Zayn. You can't write a better wrestling story than this. Brothers turned rivals, friends turned enemies.
Stop this! Damn it! Stop it!
This feud has everything: betrayal, emotion, legacy. Their unsanctioned match at Elimination Chamber 2025 Toronto was raw, violent and emotional. Every punch told a story, every glance said 1,000 words, and when the dust settled with both men standing bleeding but united, it reminded fans why their bond is timeless. And finally, the number one feud of 2025, Seth Rollins vs CM Punk. When Punk returned, Seth Rollins made it clear he didn't want him back. He called Punk a cancer, Punk called Seth a corporate puppet, and it all boiled over at SummerSlam 2025. Punk was battling Gunther for the World Heavyweight Championship, and just when it looked like he'd pull it off, Rollins' music hit. The arena lost its mind. Rollins cashed in his Money in the Bank briefcase, stole the win, and reignited one of the most real personal rivalries in modern WWE. Every promo since has dripped with venom.
My wife, she's taking a break to raise a kid. I know you don't know what that's like.
Every segment feels unscripted because this one's built on genuine tension. Rollins vs Punk isn't just feud of the year, it's one for the history books. And that's it, the top 10 WWE feuds of 2025. This year gave us heart, chaos, and unforgettable storytelling. Which feud was your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. We've got more wrestling deep dives coming your way.